Hello students, once again welcome to Bholanath Academy students. Today we are going to determine the value of L. Determination of values of L. L is called as orbital magnetic moment. The orbital magnetic moment capital L is equal to the maximum possible sum of m into L values. Now students, for F, because we are talking about F block element, for F electrons L is total how 3. When you see the students, m may be 0 to 3 positive and 3 negative, that is 0, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Now students, when you see the determination of how you are going to determine the value of L for gallium 3 plus ion. Now students, this is very important students. If you want to determine the value of gallium 3 plus students, you should know the electronic configuration, ground electronic configuration of gallium atom. Now electronic configuration of gallium students, gallium 64, atomic number is 64, is given by xenon 54, 4f7, 5d1 and 6s2. Now students, because we have to determine the gallium 3 plus value of L, orbital magnetic moment, we are going to find. So gallium 3 plus, so what has this gallium atom will go to gallium 3 plus, gallium 64 3 plus. What happens students? It will lose 3 electrons. Xenon 54 will be as it is, 4f7. Now here students, 5d1 becomes 5d0 and 6s2 will become 6s0. Correct? Now students, we are going to find the orbital magnetic moment of gallium 3 plus. For that students, what happened? Again we have to draw the orbitals of 4f orbitals. Students, I am drawing here 4f orbitals, 4f7. Okay students, so here students, first atomic orbital, second orbital, third, fourth, fifth, 6 and 7. Now students, 7 electrons we have to distribute like this. Now out of students, this will be the, when you see the values students, L will be, this is the 3 positive, 3, 2, 1, and this is becoming 0, this is minus 1, minus 2, and this is minus 3. Now students, when you find the orbital magnetic moment, if you want to find the orbital magnetic moment students, that is value of L. So students, this L you have to multiply with m. Okay students, because m into L, so that is 3 into 1 plus, because we have to make the sum, 2 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 0 into 1 plus minus 1 into 1 plus minus 2 into 1 plus minus 3 into 1. Okay students, when you add students, what happens students? L will becomes 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0, this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. All values is coming what? 0. So when you see the magnetic moment students, orbital magnetic moment, that value is coming what? 0 of gallium 3 plus. So this is way you can determine the orbital magnetic moment of gallium 3 plus students. One more example students, we are going to take, that is determination of magnetic moment L for iridium 3 plus ions. L means students, orbital magnetic moment, we are going to find the iridium 3 plus ion. If you want to find out the orbital magnetic moment of iridium students, first you should know the electronic configuration of iridium atom at ground state. So we are going to write the electronic configuration of iridium atom students. Iridium atom atomic number is 68. You should, if you know, then only you can find out the orbital magnetic moment students. So electronic configuration is very important students. Electronic configuration xenon 54. Now 14 electrons is going to distribute into 4f2, 5d0 and 6s2. Correct students? Because we are finding iridium 3 plus, that means it will lose 3 electron. Iridium 68 lose 3 electrons. So electronic configuration will becomes, new electronic configuration students will becomes xenon 54, 4f11, mind well, and 5d0 and 6s2 becomes 6s0, will become 6s0. Now students, because here 4f orbitals are involved, so if you draw the 4f orbitals students, it has 7 subatomic orbitals. So this is first orbital, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and 7. Now you are going to distribute 11 electrons, 4f11, 11 electrons students for singly, then the pairing will take place students, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now students, when you see the L students, L will become 3, 2, 1, here it will 0, then minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. This is the small L. Okay students, now if you want to find out the orbital magnetic moment, students, you have to number of electrons will multiply with L. So students, because it is m into L into m spin, total how many magnetic electrons are there in the orbitals? So students, it will becomes 3 into 2, 2 into 2 plus this is 2 multiplied by 2 electrons plus 1 into 2 electrons, 1 into 2, 0 into 2 plus minus 1 into 1, 1 electrons are there, minus 1 into 1, number of electrons minus 1 into 1, plus minus 2 into 1 plus minus 3 into 1. What happens students? 3 to just 6 plus 4 plus 2, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. When you see students, 12 minus 6, that is 6. This is the value of L, orbital magnetic moment of iridium 3 plus. The L value will come 6. This way students, you can find out the orbital magnetic moment. This is very important for the examination point of view, students. In examination, sometimes they are asking find the orbital magnetic moment. So this way you have to find the orbital magnetic moment with very simple method, students, I have explained. If you like my video, please share it, subscribe it. Thank you very much.